So here I got the Corvette, and it's time for me to get some steer tires. Got wear on the edges, and it's probably getting right at the minimum on the thread wear there. So got my new tires ready to go on right here. I'm going back. So these wheels have TPMS, tire pressure monitor sensor. They got a valve core. Instead of messing with it, I just put this little tool to get the air out of the tires. That way I don't have to mess with the valve core. That one's done. Getting wheels turned. Hello everybody, here I got the C7 Corvette. I don't know if you'll be able to tell on the video, but the car needs a wash. It's been cold. I always wash my car by hand. Later on today it's supposed to be below freezing. And speaking of below freezing, I don't drive this car when it gets too cold because it's got the summer only tires. So I had them replaced, and I actually did it myself. I was able to borrow a machine. So I used to do that for a living, working as a automotive mechanic, so it was no big deal for me to just get them done. I had them balanced, and last time I did it I was able to hide the wheel weight behind the wheel spoke. That's because I was using a machine that allowed me to do that, but on this case I wasn't able to hide it, which it's no big deal. It was just for appearance purposes. Some machines will allow you to do that, so it's one thing to consider, you know, if you take your Corvette in, or a car that's got wheel spokes like that, and maybe the technicians are able to hide the wheel weights. Just a little air compressor, and then I keep a set in case I gotta plug a tire. So I always keep that kit in case I gotta plug a tire and air it up. And at the same time I keep on my insurance, the roadside assistance, so where they'll cover a tow bill. One of the things about this summer only tires, when it gets cold I notice a big loss in grip. So like back there, that was second gear, and I couldn't give it full throttle even on second gear. A little while ago we're getting snow flurries. Later on today it's going to drop below freezing, so I won't be driving it later today because I got the summer only tires. So I'm kind of thinking I probably should have just gotten all season so I wouldn't have that issue. I'm kind of considering the C8 Corvette, and I believe that one comes with all season tires. So I'm thinking of trading this one in for that car. So I'll be getting an alignment here in the next few days, just to keep the longevity of the car, make sure everything's still within spec. So thanks for watching.